Start. According to him, the word effective date mentioned in subclause 3 of Article 24 has to be necessarily read with earlier part of the same article, that is, first 5 years of the terms of the contract stop. Hence, the effective date has to be read as the opening date since the term starts from the opening date stop. I am not in agreement with this submission made by Mr. Dutt. Stop. The date of execution of the agreement, that is, May 15, 2015 has been defined as the effective date, and subclause 3 of Article 24 stipulated the lock-in period to be 5 years from the effective date, that is, May 15, 2015 stop. No doubt, Schedule 1 of the agreement, which defines words mentioned in the agreement, includes opening date to mean the date of commencement of the operation of the hotel for the purpose of receiving guests to be determined in accordance with Article 4 of this contract, but the submission of learned counsel that the agreement prescribes two dates, that is, effective date and opening date, for the reason that since the hotel had to be constructed before being operational, and the petitioner, having the necessary expertise, and in terms of recitals 3, 4, 5 and 6 read with Article 2, is required to provide professional advice regarding architecture, engineering, interior designing, furnishing, etc. from the effective date for which the petitioner was paid rupees 15 lakh by the respondent for pre-opening services in consideration of the management fee promised to be paid by the owner, is appealing. In substance, the plea of learned counsel is, as certain obligations have been imposed on the petitioner to be performed during the construction of the hotel, which started immediately, and continued till the hotel became operational, the lock-in period was stipulated from the effective date stop. In fact, I find it is the case of petitioner itself in para 19 of the petition that it had expended considerable time and resources in giving technical inputs, detailing and designing inputs, which the petitioner has acquired over a period of time, towards the construction and execution of works in the hotel stop. It is also stated by the petitioner that the petitioner's technical interest and experience in the field was one of the key factors in signing the agreement for letting the hotel to be managed by the appellant party in this petitioner case. Stop.